Hey guys, what's up? Brendan from WhisperNode here, and we're back at you again with another injective ecosystem tutorial as part of our Ninja newbie series. And in previous tutorials, we showed you how to buy injective on an exchange, Coinbase, how to create various injective wallets, and how to transfer injective from Coinbase to an Ethereum compatible address, a wallet rather, like Metamask. This does you good, but it doesn't get you all the way into the injective ecosystem. A lot of dApps and things you want to do within the injective ecosystem, they require to use other wallets like Kepler or Leap Wallet or other Cosmos native wallets. So in this tutorial, we're going to show you guys how to bridge injective from your Metamask wallet, which you may have injective from Coinbase or some of the other exchanges, and how to bridge that over to your Leap wallet or Kepler wallet. So we're over here at hub.injective.network/bridge. I'm going to click this connect button. Make sure my Metamask or my Rabby wallet, whatever I'm using, is on the right wallet here. I'm going to click connect, choose my Metamask, which I previously withdrew injective from Coinbase to, and then it's going to pop up automatically using this injective wallet within my Metamask wallet. So I can do this and interact with a lot of the apps on injective, but a lot of users, they use Kepler wallet or Leap wallet. So I'm going to, instead of using that address that's auto-generated from Metamask, I'm going to go into my Leap wallet here. I'm going to change the chain to the injective chain, and I'm going to copy that injective address there and then paste the injective address in here. So you can see I have 4.33 injective available. I currently have no injective in this wallet here. So I'm going to transfer 1.33 injective, set the allowance, click that button, approve that transaction there. And that'll take just a minute. And then I'm going to click that transfer now button and transfer that 1.33 injective to my Leap wallet. Sorry, I made a mistake pasting the wallet address in there. So I'm gonna make sure I pasted that address correctly, and then I'm gonna hit that transfer button. And now when I confirm it, I should get that pop up. And I sign that message and confirm. Yours may look a little bit differently if you're using MetaMask. I have Rabby wallet on now, which kind of takes the place of MetaMask, but the process is still the same. So now you can see that that transaction is in progress. It's confirming on the Ethereum blockchain, which may take a couple minutes. Ethereum, is generally a little slower than the Cosmos chains. I can see the progress of this transaction on the Etherscan if I open that in a new tab here. And it looks like it was a success on Ethereum side. So then it's just going to take another couple minutes or seconds, and it will then go over the bridge and be transferred to my Leap wallet. So I can leave that up and kind of just check back here and wait for that injective there. So it is still waiting, and we'll just wait for that to transfer over here real quick. All right, so checking back in my Leap wallet here. Looks like that injective has arrived. I now have that 1.33 injective in my Leap wallet. This pop-up is still saying in progress. It took about 4 minutes to go from Ethereum to the Injective bridge, and then from the bridge to my Leap wallet. One more thing to keep in mind when you are using the bridge, you are using the Ethereum blockchain. So in your MetaMask, just make sure you have Ethereum to pay for fees. Fees on the Ethereum network can be quite expensive. It can be, $40 up to $70 right now with the Ethereum price skyrocketing. So you may also need to withdraw some Ethereum from your Coinbase to your MetaMask to pay for those gas fees. But that's it for this tutorial. Was a pretty easy process. Took about maybe 5 to 10 minutes total. So hopefully that's helpful, guys. Take it easy. Peace.